Here's a 1987 Chevrolet Camaro Z-28, an IROC Z to boot. As you can see, this car is a T-top car, and this does have the CC1 RPO code removable glass panel, so it is a true glass panel, and just have them out for the video so we can see the interior easier. This is obviously the bright red. Paint code 81, 1987. So this is the way this car would have came from General Motors. Underneath the hood, V8, 5-liter, 305. That is paired with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Also very nicely equipped car. This is power steering, power brakes, AC, power windows, power locks, power driver's seat. So very nicely equipped car too. As you can see, it's also in nice shape, not full of a ton of road rash, as I would call it, as far as rock chips or dings or scratches, or what you'll start to get when you get some age to them. This one is very nice. As you can see, the paint has a very nice lacquer to it, great shine, good reflection to it. These late 80s Camaros are really starting to take off a little bit. You don't see a ton of them around. They're in as nice a shape. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the underside of this car. This was an Arizona car for the majority of its life. It hasn't been driven in inclement weather, so very solid car. Check out the underside pictures. You can see the interior engine bay, and they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video. There's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can view the pictures. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726, where we can be reached at. Take a look up and down this car. You can see how straight it is. Not full of dings, nicks, scratches up and down the doors. As you can see, riding on the factory wheels. It does have the locking lugs on it. The tool is in the center console on this car for getting the wheels off. Red on red with the red interior here. Bucket seats, of course. Shifter on the floor. Now, in these videos, this red is tough. It looks washed out in this video, and it'll look washed out in the pictures some too. But if you can see this back here, that is more the true color. It's more of a red. I don't know how to explain it, but in the videos and pictures, that red washes out. So it's a darker red than what this video and those pictures show. Let's put it that way. T-top gaskets up here. It appears that these have been replaced, and they're in nice shape. They're firm. They're not rotting away. You can see they're pliable. So those are in nice shape. It appears that those have been redone. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and this car may be eligible for an extended warranty. Ask your sales associate. And if you purchase this vehicle, we can sure assist with getting this car to where you're located at. This would have the FE2 suspension to it. There's a question we'll get from time to time. And you can see, if you want to look at the RPO codes and know the exact options, everything that this car had from GM, when it was shipped new, there is a picture of those RPO codes underneath the center console lid. And I have a picture of that online with over 100 pictures of this car. So if you want to see the pictures, take a look at them. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. And again, you can see paint is in very nice shape on this car. Take a look up and down the driver's side here. Again, not full of nicks, dings, scratches like you see in so many of them. It's been well cared for and taken care of. A couple of the other things, since we're back around here to the rear, it does have the G80, which would be a positive traction limited slip differential, and then 273 rear gears. I'll let you know about that. Now the dash, I do have pictures underneath the dash, and I think since this spent time in Arizona, is more than likely why that dash cover's on there. It did not appear to be cracked underneath. You can take a look at the still pictures yourself and take a look at that dash. I have a picture with it off. So here we're on the inside again. Power windows, power locks, power driver's seat, the power mirrors. Let's go ahead and start this up in a second. Alright. Odometer reads 92,387. His original miles. You can see the tach. Gauges work. AC compressor did turn on and off. Went back and forth on that between AC and vent or heater. AM FM cassette player. Radio did work. Had that on earlier. Of course, automatic shifter in the center here. Remote hatch release. There you get a little better idea of the true red as far as the color of the carpeting and the door panels there, but that seat's still washed out a little bit compared to what it is. Slip around to the rear of this so you can hear it run. Excuse the noise in the background. We got a little bit of construction finishing it up on our new place here. Good sounding 305 underneath the hood. Now one other thing back here, it does have the cargo net that does retract like it's supposed to. I have pictures of it both ways. And then underneath that there is the covers, or the, I would say, holders for the T-tops to go in, and then those get secured and strapped into the rear hatch. And again, you can see that all in the still pictures. Everything's there. Now I'm going to pause this a second. Let's take a quick look at the engine bay. See, that's about as clean as the rest of this car, so let's take a look at it. Alright, here we go. Hood popped. It's a 5-liter. Tuned port injection, 305. Again, steering, brakes, AC. You can see how nice and clean it is, how tight it is. How smooth that V8 runs. Looks good, sounds good. So there you go. You're looking for a late 80s Camaro. Nice example right here. 87 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z. Glass panel T-top car. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video, click on the link. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. And of course, it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Consult with your sales associate if you email and call in. Look forward to hearing from you.